Hello guys, this video is for our new monitor. It's special design for 360 or MDVR, which would UART or S30 protocol. This monitor can make those device with touch control function. The video showing now is connected with our 360 3D AVM camera system. This monitor with Helium 25-inch IPS panel. It has 1920*720p high-quality pixel, bringing you a delicate picture quality experience. It with 2 CHC video input, support 1080p HD, CVBS TVI input. It can be used rear view streaming monitor, special working with wide-angle camera, since this display ratio is 8:3, not like regular panel 16:9 or 4:3. This monitor also has light sensor, which can automatic adjust the monitor brightness according different environmental lighting. With 9 to 32 volts voltage support, it can be installed for different car model. Thanks for watching. For more details, please contact with us now.